Welcome back friends, and suppose you are surfing Google or net or anything, and you see that there are many pages on that screen, so many pages, and you want that the six screenshot of each page you want to take in a single shot. Is it possible? And if it is possible in Samsung phone, then how? So in this video I am going to cover this topic. Apart from this, I will also tell you some easy way to take screenshots in Samsung phone. So not wasting much of your time, you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So friends, just coming to the video, if you want to take screenshot, then you need to just press volume lower button and this simultaneously and give a click, and now this has come, and now you can see here, if you touch it, it will come, and now you can adjust it and download it, and this will be saved in gallery folder. In gallery, when you will go in album, then here screenshot folder is there, and here you can see that has been stored. Suppose you want to take the selected portions only, then that was the way. Suppose you open this and you want to take some selected portion of this, just press this simultaneously, then this will come, open it, and now you can select here crop, and you can select whatever portion you want to take, so and download it. So this was one method. Just I am repeating, power on and this negative button you have to press simultaneously, and then the screenshot will come. So this was the one how to take screenshot. Then there was a second method how can we take the screenshot. That is, suppose the phone is this and we have to slide from here, means you have to slide the whole hand from one edge to another end, and see the screenshot has been taken. You can slide your hand from right to left or from left to right, and then also, but it needs to be activated. I will tell you from where it will be activated. You go to the settings and then go to the advanced features, and here you can go to the screenshots, and here not a screenshot, you have to go to the motion and gesture, and here palm swipe to capture. Swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take the screenshot. This should be on. So see, this should be on for taking, just like this. You have to swipe it and the screenshot will be taken. So this was the one method. Now I will come to the actual problem. That is most interesting thing, that how to capture the long screenshot. So long screenshot means, suppose this, you have opened the Chrome browser and you want to take the screenshot of all the pages. Then what you need to do, just press the volume lower key and power on key simultaneously once, tick, and now it has come. Now this button you need to press. So now again you need to press, then again you need to press. You have to keep pressing. Now again press, again press, again press, again press. Screenshot is being continuously taken by your Samsung phone. Again press, again press. Now the page at end, and that's all. Okay, go back, and now we want to see, just go to the gallery, and here screenshot. You have to go to the screenshot, and here you can see this. You can see all the pages have come on the single go. In a single place, the long screenshot has come. So this was the most interesting thing I wanted to tell you, that how to take long screenshot. So friends, in this video I have told you how. Let me summarize. First, how to take screenshot, volume lower key and power on key, first thing. Then swipe left to right or right to left, and how to activate this, and then how to take long screenshots. This is all about today's tutorial. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Please share it on social media platform. Thank you very much, guys.